easier.
It's
Easier than Dad's and Karen's.
No, no. Just the suitcases. It gets real, doesn't it? The only time I ever treat myself is when I'm in London or going to. When I'm in London or if I'm going on an aeroplane, I need some food. This is a Fortnum's packed lunch and it is crazy, but I love it. So here I am, Terminal 5. I've just spoken to Loriann, who texted me saying, I'm super excited and I'm up. So I've just come out the expensive end. But there's a Smith's down there, so we've got Gucci and Louis Vuitton, and over there is the Fortnum Mason champagne bar. Of course, I'm just going to nip into Louis Vuitton and buy myself a nice big handbag, I think. Let's have a little look up here. Let's see if we can see where we're going. Gates is going to be shown at 2 o'clock. So I'm going to wander down through the terminal and see if I can find Starbucks. Here is possibly our aeroplane. Our aeroplane is apparently parked off stand. So we are going to have to board by a bus in our groups. It's the wonderful world of Heathrow. There's an aeroplane of some description coming in. It looks large. It's got 2 engines, so it can go somewhere. Sorry, my brother. So here they are, and I am at gate B34, ready to board. So if you're not used to Terminal 5, you've got the A terminal that way, and you've got the C terminal that way. You all start in A and then get to We've had lots and lots of chats, lots of phone calls. We've spoken to Jane and we've spoken to Michelle, and we are now just heading up. And we've got the, what mountains were they again? I can't go on. Cascade Mountains is up there. Oops. Behind Loriann's house.
Right, we're going to turn left at this 35-mile-an-hour sign.
35-mile-an-hour sign. I have to say, while I'm filming this, South Deer Creek Drive, when I was coming into into Loriann's house, right? Literally fresh off the aeroplane. We've not even opened the pink box or the fabric that was sent. It was a good job the customs man didn't say to me. He said to me, "Have you got any fruit? And any food?" And I said, "No," but I thought, what the heck about the fabric? We have a treadle machine here and another machine down there. Right, and then through into here we have, oh, look at that.
The buttonholing machine.
Buttonholing machine.
Although it's a sewing machine, but I use it for buttonholes. There's a featherweight in here. And the Singer.
Straight stitcher.
Yeah, straight stitcher. It's a fabulous machine. Fabulous. The 201.
And the 125.
The
790.
125 years, but yeah, that's the Bernina 790.
You've got these. You've put these here. Have you just stuck them on?
Yeah.
That's a really clever thing. I don't use my Barbie box. Another featherweight down there.
Another featherweight down there.
And
another Singer
in the back there.
machine in the back.
Embroidery unit.
And the embroidery unit.
What's that bag there for?
That had a rotary cutter and some scissors in it.
And then here is the new L90.
890.
890.
Yeah.
Cover, stitch,
and serger,
overlocker, whatever you want to call it.
Combo.
It's a combination
You'll
machine.
do up to 27 different stitches.
27. Oh, goodness me. So there.
Crazy. Do you want to go in the other sewing rooms?
Go on then, let's go in the other sewing rooms.
Alright.
I do like your small television.
The small television?
Small television.
I know, seriously.
And this is another sewing room. Now I think this is the one that Loriann is usually in when I speak to her. Because here it is. Here it is. I will be feeling most at home.
Yes.
Is that a combination or is that just a serger?
It is a combination one from Baby Lock.
I think that's
And
the
it
one.
has a combination of 87 different
87
stitches. It's
stitches.
crazy. And right behind you is a cover stitch only, the Euphoria.
I think that's the one I quite fancy, the cover stitch for.
It's very wonderful.
Sorry.
I love it.
It's got knee lifts as well.
Yeah.
Is that the hemmer?
This is the blind hem machine.
Oh, I've got 2 dresses to go through that.
Yeah. I did this one today in about 5 minutes. It was very fast. And
Computer.
the computer.
Ironing station with a hot steam iron and the cutting station.
See the
Hot steamer, yeah. I love the
there.
pin cushions. You've got uniform pin
I
cushions.
do. I've got them all over the place. I've got 3 of these.
These pins are rather unusual.
Oh,
aren't
they're
they?
fabulous. They're very cool.
Mrs. Stitched Up, Mrs. Rachel, are you watching? Miss Tamlin and Miss Ruan. We Yorkshire people. We need some of these. I might have to take some of those home. Can I get those in Joanne's?
No, but maybe we'll hook you up.
You're going to find me somewhere to get them, aren't you?
Yeah. This cutting table
It's amazing.
is this unit
Yeah.
and another unit just like it on the other side.
IKEA?
Filled from IKEA. And this one.
Yeah.
And then this that was screwed down. And then so it's all together, and then you put feet on it so it can move.
Yes, it's amazing.
Move out of the way.
Everybody's got different variations of
This-
doing them.
yeah.
Another one there.
Lots and lots of IKEA stuff. And
Oh,
then-
look. She's got a coaster there from Whitley Bay.
Yes, that for
That's
Mitchie.
where Poppy came from.
Yeah.
She was born in Blythe. Oh my gosh.
Yes, it's a bit of a mess. Come on in.
Is this your stash?
This is only a small part of my stash
It's organised.
until I got too
That's
much.
your pattern drawers.
Yeah.
Pattern drawers?
Including fabrics. Yeah, this
Oh,
this
oh,
one's
look at
the
that.
patterns.
It's like going to the shops.
Yeah. And this is puffy foam, and there's some Italian fabric in here. It's gorgeous. And this is all slippery fabrics and linings. And this is the linens, and there's some more linen up
Brand new
here.
patterns here, Loriann.
Those are dies.
Oh,
Go
dies.
with
The cutting machine.
The cutting machine, yeah.
I recognise this.
Yes.
I think this might have come from my house.
In fact,
Gifted from...
yes, it might have been
might have
gifted
been given
by
to you,
certain
yes.
people.
Yes.
And lots. This is the Liberty Stack.
Oh, look at that Liberty stack.
And this is from Greece.
There's the one from Andrea down there, isn't there?
There is. That is, for sure.
This is where your
That one and
fabrics
that one
go.
too.
Oh, look, Andrea, there's the
that
pink
one.
box things. Pink box, pink box.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, you've got another pink box to open, haven't you?
Do.
Oh my gosh, I love the chair.
Isn't that adorable?
Yes, cotton fabric. Oh wow, that's amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so surreal to be here because I've spent so long talking to you, sat here at the machine, and then just to be here.
It is.
And look, you've got your box. I love the box. I have the box. I
Yeah.
love the box.
I love the box too. Bernina
A lot of
feet
people
galore.
do not like the box, but I like the box. The only thing you have to be really careful with the box is that when you lift up this bit here, that you've got the cover in, because the things can fall out, especially as the box gets older.
So these are the serger threads
Yeah,
and the woolly nylon down there.
yeah.
And the Peacock
Look at
threads.
these wooden old,
Yeah.
old bobbins.
With silk on them.
Wow.
So
And
it's beautiful
needles.
stuff.
Needles.
So many needles.
Wow.
Embroidery CDs. Now they just send them on.
USBs. Oh, I forgot my USB.
I've got plenty.
Yeah, but I might get another video one for you. Can't have enough.
Okay.
Can't have enough. Can't have enough.
Yeah, well,
That's the bathroom.
The bathroom, and then this
Oh my gosh.
is the big quilting machine.
Don't know what to say. Quilting threads.
Lots. No, this one is embroidery threads for the embroidery machine, which is down at the other end down there.
Yeah. And those are more embroidery things. Oh, it's on wheels. Oh, look at this. Wow, look at that.
That's the tin needle embroidery machine, and there's another mass of threads.
But I suppose if you're going to use this properly, you need access to those. And Loriann does not live in the centre of town. As you'll have seen us go up the drive. You need to have access to them quickly.
Come over on this side and then you can see the fabric.
And then, oh yes. And I'm staying back down the road down there. I'm sort of underneath. Mm-hmm. I think this is a quilting stash, is that right?
Mostly. Let me get over here.
There's the Quilts of Valor.
This is the Quilts of Valor fabric. And these are all cottons, and they actually are 2 rows back. So
but you stash them on boards, don't you?
We do, I do. I stash them on these
so
boards.
this is a brilliant idea. Where do you get this board from?
Larry got it from a wholesaler.
Yeah, I think it's dead easy to cut. It's like a corrugated board.
And then I
so
use a half a
fabric
one.
bolts.
I use a half a one for the scraps, for the smaller pieces.
Yeah, but if all my dressmaking fabrics were stored like that, I would know exactly what I've got.
It's really handy so that you see one you like, you just peel off a stash like that, and you can see that I've got way more in the back.
Oh
in
gosh,
different
yes.
colors.
But it's such a clever idea. It's a really clever idea. So this is a little call out to Rowan. Inside your boxes, Rowan, you could put one of these. Oops, the spare one. I just going to slide it back in there.
And then we've got knits here, or jerseys as you would call them, and flannel down here. I made a lot of baby blankets back in the day, receiving blankets. And then we've got Valentine's and Halloween back there.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of Christmas.
Christmas, I saw Christmas, yes.
Right here, and there's Christmas behind it too, lots and lots.
This machine, I think we will see it.
You'll definitely see
do I
it.
get to have a go on it?
Oh, sure. Yeah, when we do your quilt.
Oh, my quilts, yes.
Yeah.
Is it going to be embroidered on there?
Uh-huh.
Or on the 10?
Or both, or all three.
At the same time?
It could be. Yeah, we'll be working on, yeah.
And company. Every room needs company in the form of a television.
Yes. Every room's got to have a TV.
Or as I say, company.
And the coat hanger.
Coat hanger. Oh,
Literally.
wow.
That was a project and a half right there. And the bathroom.
Is that your both bathrooms? Or
No, just mine.
Your bathroom. Oh, I like your tap. Look at this. This is a waterfall tap. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Tap envy. Mm-hmm. Tap envy. Tap envy. Oh my gosh. At the moment I've got Triumph envy.
Yes.
I have got Triumph envy. Oh my gosh. I love it.
Yeah. That's top of the line.
Ooh.
Okay, and this we will be packing for Quilts of Valor tomorrow. We've got all these quilts done, and
these are our packages to do.
These are our project packages
Are these
to do.
the project bags you did from Beautiful Things HQ?
Yes.
They are amazing. I rather like that. Yes. And they are, if you go in early on, you've got to look at the Beautiful Things HQ thing, because I think I might need to go in at bronze. Because I think this is a bronze project and I quite like that.
It's neat. I'm not sure what level that is.
Oh, look at the window.
This is where I see the deer quite often.
And just in case if I need some cycling practice.
Yes.
But this is good because it's not going to get you back. Oh, deer out there. They're not there at the moment.
Or you can go to the exercise room in the shop too.
Oh.
And then more sewing machines. I never remember which light does what. Oh, looks like it just went out. There it is. Anyway, this light just went out. So
Oh,
yeah.
wow, look at this one.
1910 Singer Red Eye Treadle. Absolutely amazing.
What's the musical instrument?
I don't know the name of it. Larry collected it somewhere.
Uh-huh.
Or maybe his family did. And then this is another sewing machine.
Oh, this looks like it's come back from somewhere.
1929
Oh.
Singer, that's
Beautiful.
model 66.
You could have a quilting, you could have a sewing machine museum,
I
Loriann.
could, no, it's true.
Look at
Right,
this.
so then we will come into our bedroom.
There's not
This
sewing
is
machines.
that,
There's not sewing machines in there, are there?
No.
Right.
You
This
can
is
sew it if you want.
this is the one that you've just put on, isn't it?
Yeah.
I love that. Got a combination of applique and embroidery and piecing it together. It's just incredible.
Little bees. I love it.
Oh, and you've got a quilt on the bed. Do you change the quilts on the bed?
Yep. Actually, that was the first one that I made because I did a sampler quilt so I could try all the different types of squares.
So how old is this one?
2012.
But this, I've done that one.
So, yeah.
Done that one. I've done that one. On my sampler
Alexa,
quilt.
nightlight on. There we go.
Thank you, Alexa.
And then this is Larry's bathroom.
And he's got the funky taps too. Look, we've got more funky
Yes,
taps.
I know that was my idea. I wanted those really bad.
And oh, look at
And
that.
the jacuzzi tub with colored lights. It's very fun.
Oh wow. I'm seeing myself in a mirror here, and I'm very tired.
Yeah.
Very, very tired. I think. What time do we think it is now? Oh my gosh.
7.
So it's 7:45. Oh, I'm just. I can't even think
yeah,
now.
we need to eat
We
probably.
need to eat. So we finally have the second unboxing. Off we go, Loriann. We're waiting to see what is in your Think Pink box. Now, have you read the label at the front?
Open me. Pretty things await inside. Isn't
Pretty
that
things
lovely?
waiting inside, yes.
Hi, Andrea, if you're watching.
Oh, I'm sure she will be. And Harriet at Sew Me Sunshine. Harriet, we'll tag Harriet in it. We'll put it on Insta. We'll do when we do the thing. We'll tag Harriet.
Yes.
Sew Me Sunshine. This
Absolutely.
is Loriann's fabric has finally arrived.
Beyond the Pink